about it, right? Truck up there in the woods. Here in Indiana. Right, no, there's 813. There's 195 in there. Hey, 195, 018 beavis in 10 with the wave. Spark plug. Hello out there, spark plug. Hey, spark. Hey, spark. Appreciate you always, man. Sounding good. Come out of Sandpile right now. Sounding good, 813, 018, Tennessee beavis. Only broken down, donkey stomper with the wave. Hey, sitting, Bo. What'd you do over there?
I don't think that's broke down.
Hey, Mr. Spark Plug. Catfish. Catfish from Illinois. Waving the truck and more truck. 195, I still hear you. Hey, 195? Mr. 195, 018, Tennessee beavis with the wave. Here, I'm gonna wave that for him with you because, man, you bumped into like Jack in the Box that time. Hey, tell that old trucker up there. Tell old truck. Doorknob waving. Doorknob there in Mission City gone. It's tough, man. There's a bunch in there. There's spark plugs in there. There's a bunch of them coming in there, man. It's not. It's just a Mother Nature thing. There's a whole different bunch of people coming in. Big break. Oh, spark plug.
Hey, good even time, A018, your 351 with this 2019 wave.
Hey, there's another one. I want to 13. Hey, 13. I want to key over here.
Yeah, man, I got this gate rolling again as usual, and heard old doorknob in there too, and heard truck come up in there. Man, I'm just kicked back here listening.
How you doing, Tennessee? Big race here, man. We got a whole house full up here, man. I got like 15 people at one time coming in from Florida. 351, I appreciate you hollering, man. You're sounding good in Tennessee. 018 with the wave.
Alright, man, appreciate it. Yeah, conditions pretty crazy right about now. It's all up and down and all around. So, yeah, man, we just gonna get out of the way, man. We just listening, and hopefully we making it a little bit over the top there. So, hopefully I ain't dipping and dabbing too much. Hey, 018, take care, yo. 351 wave in the back quiet.
Alright, 351, I got you on my case tonight, one. Hey, 351, I got 8 catfish and we got another trying to wave ahead. We'll post something a little off, 351. Appreciate it, man. 018, Tennessee beavis on this old broken down donkey stomper with the wave.
Hey, Catfish, I did hear you too also, man. Want to wave the hand at you. Happy 2019, and why I'm going to get out of the way. Your 351 wave in the back quiet.
Happy New Year, 351. 813. I learned you in there the whole time, man. You're coming in here good. 813, 018. Got you on the gate. We're waving. Catfish rail. Still trying. You read the mail. You walking all by your lonesome. Good, it's 2019. All right, 813. Yeah, I just want to let you know, man. You're banging in here, 813. I just was trying to answer everybody that was hollering, man. You're banging in here on this video, okay? 813. I was just trying to get with everybody's hollering. 018 beavis with a wave. You talking out there on that ground plane? You got conditions. It's just rough and tough. It's rough out there, man. They on top of each other like some... Temple, I believe you'll be happy, 813, when you hear it. We're going to hear the interview in the mail. I heard somebody out there